After the recent riots damaged businesses across several cities in the UK, the government is pushing insurance companies to speed up payouts to help businesses recover as quickly as possible. My name is Robin Moore and welcome to this week's episode of Tax Tidbits, where Business Secretary Jonathan Reynolds has asked the Association of British Insurers, also known as the ABI, to make sure businesses get their insurance money as quickly as possible. Many businesses faced having their windows and shop fronts smashed in or set on fire amid the riots, and some even experienced looting. Most business insurance policies cover riot damage, but it's important for businesses to check their cover and report any damage to the police as soon as possible. For businesses that don't have cover or don't have enough cover, you can still make a claim through the Riot Compensation Act to compensate for losses. There seems to be some confusion over how bubble tea should be taxed in the UK, with businesses uncertain if it should be a standard rated soft drink or a zero rated tea. Given its name, you'd think it was clear that it should be considered a tea for VAT purposes, but it's never that simple. The classification depends on many factors: ingredients, how it's made, and how customers perceive it. As bubble tea has been increasing in popularity over the last few years, the Association of Accounting Technicians has written to HMRC asking for clearer guidance to avoid disputes. In the meantime, businesses will need to work out their product classification on a case-by-case basis. Chancellor Rachel Reeves is looking to shake up local government pension schemes by combining them into a Canadian-style system. There are 86 local government funds in England and Wales, which are paid into by employees working in local government and some other public sector roles in the UK. Running each of these schemes costs money, as they have to pay admin and management costs. Combining the funds would reduce these costs and allow for more diverse investment, potentially adding billions to the economy. However, as it's a defined benefit pension scheme, pensioners receive a guaranteed pension based on their salary and years of service, regardless of how well the pension plan performs. So the workers won't personally see a benefit, and as like any other business merger, it will take time and money to go ahead. Halifax has predicted that lower mortgage rates and possible further interest rate cuts could push up house prices for the rest of the year. After a small rise in July, they say lower mortgage costs are helping first-time buyers and those refinancing, but house prices and the lack of available properties still makes it tough for buyers. The average house price was just over £291,000 in July, 2.3% higher than prices at the start of the year. Bensons for Beds has bought 19 Carpetright stores after the company went bust in July, having been hit by falling sales and a cyber attack in April that affected its restructuring plans. The collapse of the company has led to over 200 store closures and over 1,000 redundancies. Benson's aims to reopen these stores under its own brand and hopes to offer jobs to former Carpetright staff, despite continuing challenging conditions for the furniture retailer. Thank you for joining me for this week's episode of Tax Tidbits. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel so you stay up to date with our videos. See you next week.